The 2013 Bridgestone World Solar Challenge kicked off in Australia, with the most advanced solar cars from around the world competing against each other in a race from Darwin to Adelaide. Around 40 teams from more than 20 countries came to Australia to participate in the biennial 3,000-kilometre race. For the first time since the first race took place in 1987, the World Solar Challenge introduced three different classes: Challenger, Cruiser, and Adventure. Whereas the Adventure class is designed for teams who participated in previous events. The Challenger cars have to meet specific design parameters. For teams starting in the Cruiser class, this race is not about speed. Their cars have to meet the requirements for road registration in the country of origin. Event organizer Chris Selwood said only the best are able to compete in this extraordinary challenge.
2013, the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge, lots of new things, lots of new regulations. We've got the Cruiser class for the first time, and the Challenger class, which has got design parameters that really scared the kids when we first published them, but they've come at those challenges. Not everybody's made it, and I think that shows that we're pushing those boundaries and continuing to keep this event right at that pinnacle of intellectual endeavour.
The solar team from Britain's University of Cambridge was good enough to qualify, but will not be able to compete after all, as they had an accident one day after the challenge commenced. Based on the original notion that a 1,000-watt car would complete the trip from Darwin to Adelaide in 50 hours, solar cars are permitted a nominal 5 kilowatt-hours of stored energy, which is 10% of that theoretical figure. The remaining energy must come from the sun or be recovered from the kinetic energy of the vehicle. The 2013 Bridgestone World Solar Challenge is the world's largest solar electric vehicle event.
Nah.